once the weather is more appropriate. So anyway, yeah, these were part of my project for planting seeds during the eclipse, and you can see my video on eclipse planting if you want. And there you go. So there they are, and like I said, they'll stay in these pots until it's time to go into the garden. They're maybe a little bit stressed right now from this, but they're strong and they'll be just fine, I think. So there you go. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. You know, liking and subscribing really helps a small channel, so thank you so much.